Welcome to The Explainer, where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable insights. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of credit scores, a three-digit number that can impact almost every aspect of your financial life. Whether you're trying to buy a house, get approved for a car loan, land a great credit card, or even get a job or rent an apartment, your credit score plays a vital role. But here's the good news. No matter where your score currently stands, there are proven hacks and strategies that can significantly boost it, often in just a few weeks or months. So grab a pen and notebook or just sit back and absorb everything, because by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and tools to transform your credit score. This is your ultimate guide to mastering credit, explained in full detail. Understand the credit score first. Before we jump into the hacks, let's get one thing clear. What is a credit score, and why does it matter so much? A credit score is a numerical representation of your creditworthiness, or in simpler terms, how likely you are to repay money you borrow. The most commonly used credit scores are generated by FICO and VantageScore, and they range between 300 and 850. A score above 700 is generally considered good, while anything above 750 is excellent. Credit scores are based on 5 main factors. 1. Payment history. Do you pay your bills on time? 2. Credit utilization. How much of your available credit are you using? 3. Length of credit history. How long have you had credit? 4. Credit mix. Do you have a variety of credit types? Exam, loans, credit cards. 5. New credit. How often do you apply for new accounts? Now that we've covered the basics, let's jump into the hacks. The things you can start doing right now to increase your score. Number 1, pay before the statement date, not just the due date. Most people think that as long as they pay their credit card bill by the due date, they're doing just fine. And while that's partially true, if you really want to boost your credit score, you need to go one step further. Pay off your balance before your statement closing date. This is the date the lender reports your balance to the credit bureaus. If your balance is high on that day, even if you pay it off afterward, it will look like you're using a large portion of your available credit. That can hurt your score. So instead, pay down your balance a few days before your statement closes. You'll appear to be using less credit, which instantly improves your credit utilization rate and boosts your score. Hack number 2, keep credit utilization under 10%. Speaking of utilization, this is a huge factor. Your credit utilization ratio is the amount of credit you're using compared to the total amount available to you. Ideally, you want this number to stay below 30%, but if you want the best scores, keep it under 10%. For example, if you have a total credit limit of $10,000 across all your cards, you should aim to never carry more than $1,000 at any given time. This hack alone can bring significant improvements. Credit scoring models love low utilization. It shows that you're not overly dependent on credit, which makes you look more financially responsible. Hack number 3, become an authorized user. This is one of the most underrated credit hacks, especially for people with little or no credit history. Becoming an authorized user on someone else's credit card account, preferably a family member or close friend with a long, clean credit history, can help you piggyback on their credit. Once added, their account history appears on your credit report. If they've had the account for years, always paid on time, and kept balances low, it can dramatically increase your score, often within a month. Just make sure they're financially responsible, because their bad habits could hurt your score instead. Hack number 4, increase your credit limits. Here's a powerful trick. Ask your credit card company to raise your credit limit. If you're using $500 on a card with a $1,000 limit, that's 50% utilization. Too high. But if they raise your limit to $2,000, suddenly you're only using 25%. It's the same spending, but your utilization drops and your score rises. You can request this online or by calling customer service. Just make sure you don't use the extra limit to spend more. That defeats the purpose. Keep spending the same and enjoy the boost. Hack number 5. Make multiple payments each month. Instead of making one big payment at the end of your billing cycle, try making multiple smaller payments throughout the month. This helps you maintain a consistently low balance, which is especially useful if your statement closes before your due date. It also builds strong money habits keeps you in touch with your spending, and reduces the chance of missing payments. Hack number 6, dispute inaccurate information on your credit report. One of the fastest ways to improve your score is to clean up your credit report. Studies show that 1 in 5 credit reports contains an error, and these mistakes can drag your score down for no reason. Go to annualcreditreport.com, download all 3 of your reports from Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, and review them carefully. Look for duplicate accounts, incorrect balances, late payments you know you made on time, or accounts that don't belong to you. If you find any, file a dispute directly with the credit bureau. They usually have 30 days to investigate and respond. If the error is fixed, your score may improve rapidly. Hack number 7. Use a credit builder loan or secured credit card. If you have poor or no credit, start with credit building products. A credit builder loan works like this. You make monthly payments into a locked savings account, and once it's paid off, you get access to the money. Meanwhile, your payments are reported to credit bureaus, helping you build a strong payment history. Similarly, a secured credit card requires a deposit, usually $200 to $500, which becomes your credit limit. Use the card wisely, keep utilization low, and pay on time. And over time, your score will increase. Hack NOX. Diversify your credit mix. Having a healthy mix of credit types, like credit cards, personal loans, auto loans, or a mortgage, shows lenders that you can handle various types of credit responsibly. If all you have is one credit card, consider taking out a small personal loan or applying for a different type of account to add diversity to your profile. Just be strategic, don't overextend yourself. The goal is responsible borrowing, not more debt. Hack number 9. Don't close old accounts. Length of credit history is another key factor in your score. The longer your credit accounts have been open, the better. So even if you're not using an old credit card anymore, don't close it unless you absolutely have to. Keeping old accounts open increases your average account age and contributes to your overall available credit, which helps with utilization too. If the card charges an annual fee and you don't use it, try downgrading it to a no-fee version instead of closing it. Hack number 10. Negotiate pay for delete with collection agencies. If you have a collection account on your credit report, it's dragging down your score, even if the balance is small. Here's a trick. Call the collection agency and ask for a pay for delete deal. This means you agree to pay off the debt if they agree, in writing, to remove it from your credit report once paid. Not all agencies will do this, but many will if you're polite, professional, and firm. If you succeed, this can give your score a major lift. Hack number 11. Use Experian Boost or Ultra FICO. These are 2 tools that allow you to boost your credit score instantly by adding non-traditional data to your profile. With Experian Boost, you can include your on-time utility payments, phone bills, and even streaming subscriptions like Netflix. Ultra FICO allows you to link your bank accounts to show responsible banking habits, like maintaining savings and avoiding overdrafts. These tools are especially helpful if you have a thin credit file or limited history. Hack number 12. Set up auto pay and alerts. The most damaging thing for your credit score is a missed payment. Just one late payment can drop your score by 90 to 100 points and stay on your report for up to 7 years. So avoid it at all costs. Set up auto pay for at least the minimum payment on every bill, or use calendar reminders and budgeting apps. A strong payment history is the single most important part of your score. Protect it like your financial life depends on it, because it kind of does. Hack no 13. Avoid too many hard inquiries. Every time you apply for a credit card, loan, or line of credit, the lender does a hard inquiry on your credit report. This can slightly lower your score, usually by 5 to 10 points, and multiple inquiries in a short time can hurt more. So don't apply for multiple credit products at once. If you're shopping for a mortgage or car loan, do all your rate shopping within a 14 to 30-day window so they count as one inquiry. Hack number 14. Try the 15-3 credit card payment hack. This is a simple yet powerful trick. Instead of making one payment per month, make 2. The first payment should be 15 days before your due date, and the second should be 3 days before. This helps reduce your average daily balance and can boost your score by lowering your utilization even further. Hack number 15. Freeze unused credit reports. Here's a lesser-known but powerful move. If you're not planning to open new credit anytime soon, consider freezing your credit reports with Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. This prevents identity thieves from opening accounts in your name. While it won't directly raise your score, it keeps your file secure, protecting all your hard work. Improving your credit score isn't just about chasing numbers. It's about building a future with more opportunities, lower interest rates, better insurance premiums, and even better job prospects. These 15 credit score hacks are not gimmicks. They are real, actionable strategies that thousands of people have used to rebuild or supercharge their credit profiles. Remember, improving your credit score is not about tricking the system. It's about learning how the system works and playing the game wisely. Whether you're starting from scratch, recovering from past mistakes, or aiming for that perfect 850, these tools are your roadmap. Thanks for watching The Explainer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dive videos like this. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want a part 2, or let us know which hack helped you the most. Until next time, build smart, spend wisely, and protect your credit.